The Rose House by Brcar Morony Architecture in Neutral Bay, Australia. The Rose House consists of alterations to a two-story house. A solid masonry facade responds to and protects the house from the site street frontage, a charmless and inhospitable cul-de-sac consisting of 1970s apartment building car parking podiums, and the Bradfield Highway beyond. The cul-de-sac and nearby highway, a source of constant noise, needed to be addressed in the reconfiguration. A heavy masonry front facade with various sized apertures, acting much like the battlements of a medieval castle, was designed to protect the house from this environment and offer respite and tranquility within. While a strong barrier was required, recycled bricks, some from the existing house, were used to provide warmth and texture to this facade. Black steelwork, synonymous with strength, is used as sheltering elements and frames openings within the brickwork. As one passes through the house, the solidity of the facade lightens and dissipates until there is almost nothing left between the interior and exterior spaces. The living room and master bedroom end in a wall of glass to the east and harbor views beyond.